Hey friends, if you wish to enable editing in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So the editing switch is at the top right corner next to the share button. Click on editing here to allow editing, and you can also click on reviewing when you want it constantly reviewing. So you can choose your option accordingly. Okay, you can also go to the review tab and you will find these options there. So you can also search for edit, and then you can choose to edit the header, footer and all, if that is what you mean by editing in that sense. Ideally editing is enabled by default, and you can choose, look at it this way: if I type anything and hit enter, it will give a red line below it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.